Wendy. Let's take a look at this then. And graphing shouldn't be your enemy. I mean, if you understand it, then it will be your friend. So our key is really to solve for y here. So if I have x equals a negative y plus 8 and x equals 7y. To get y by itself in that first equation, I minus my 8, minus my 8. So I have x minus 8 equals a negative y. Divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1, I get a negative x plus 8 equals the y then. So y is by itself now. It doesn't matter which side y is on. Either I could have it on the left or the right. But I have it in my y equals mx plus b form, where whatever's in front of x is the slope. So m equals slope, and we know that that is rise over run. Our b is the y-intercept, where the line is going to cross the y-axis. So my m is negative 1 over 1. Since it's rise over run, that represents I'm going to be going down since that's negative, and I'm going to be going right since that's positive. Equation number 2, I'm going to divide both sides by 7, and I end up with something that looks like x over 7 equals y. Knowing that there's a 1 in front of that x, I can think about that as 1/7 x equals y. In this case, I don't have a b, so I'm going to rewrite this as 1/7 x plus 0 equals y. So my m is 1 over 7, and my b is 0. So to graph that, on that first equation there, I start at my 8. That was my y-intercept. Forgot to label that. So I'm going to start at 8, and I go down 1 over 1. So start at 8, go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And I can do that as many times as I want until I get a nice line. And then too, if I can kind of get the point of intersection, it would be handy. On my other graph, I'm going to start at 0, up 1, and over 7. So up 1 and right 7. So up 1 and over to 7. So I can see that my solution then is 7, 1 as a point. If we look at the graphs that you had there, so your first equation looked pretty good. Your second equation, though, you started down here at a -7, so I'm not sure where you got your y-intercept from. You know, our y-intercept is just 0. We don't have a b value. And then I would just go the up 1 and over 7. So let me know if you've got questions on that, Wendy.